To start off, I've created a blank index.html page. So this is where all of our source code will go into, and we're going to actually add in the CSS afterwards. So we're going to do it on page within the style tags, and then we're going to pull that out into a separate CSS file. So the editor that I'm using within this course is Brackets. It's available at Brackets.io. It's an Adobe product. It's free to open source. It's free to use. Works across multiple platforms. And if you already have an editor to use, then you can go ahead and use that one. If you're looking to try something new and have not tried Brackets before, or if you want to follow along with the exact editor that I'm going to be using within the course, then Brackets is the one to use, to check out. The other resources that I'm going to be using within this course, so this is a course about Bootstrap, so we're going to the main Bootstrap website, which is getbootstrap.com. There's a bunch of documentation, examples, themes, blogs, and just a whole ton of great stuff here about Bootstrap. So we're going to be making use of this website quite a bit within this course as well. The other resources that we're going to need, and we need to bring jQuery in because we are going to be using the Bootstrap JavaScript library. So that is based on jQuery, and we do need to bring jQuery into this project. So that's available at, there's a number of places to get jQuery, and the resource that I usually like to use is developers.google.com. So they've got all of the jQuery libraries, and they've got a ton of other JavaScript libraries that are all ready to go. You can simply copy and paste the CDN code into your web project. And lastly, we also need a way to create some images, to quickly create some images. So I'm going to use placeholder.com, and this is a great resource to add in some placeholder images. So once you're all set up and ready to go, next lesson, we're ready to jump in and start building out our Bootstrap file from scratch. So that's coming up.